Dismayado pero dinaan na lang sa biro. Ibinida ni US President Donald Trump ang kanyang peace efforts sa kabila ng pagkabigo niyang masungkit ang Nobel Peace Prize ngayong taon. Napunta kay Venezuelan opposition leader Maria Corina Machado ang parangal na siya namang binatikos ng White House.
I love stopping wars, and sort of interesting. I'll be the only president. I don't think any president stopped one war. I stopped 8 wars in 8 months. Did I get a Nobel Prize? No. Can you believe it? Even I said, yeah, that's an impossible one. But it's all right. I think next year will be better, but I don't think. You know what I care about? I saved maybe hundreds of millions of lives, but certainly I saved.
Kamakailan lang pinirmahan ni Trump ang ceasefire deal sa pagitan ng Israel at Palestinian militant group Hamas. Hudyat niya natapos na ang madugong giyera sa Gaza.